Good morning, guys. How are you? We are going to start with a new topic. We're going to talk about sports. Then, read, listen, and say. We are going to practice and we are going to relate a word with a picture. Let's go. Do archery. Go ice skating. Go snowboarding. Play basketball. Do judo. Play soccer in the United States. Play football in the rest of the world. Go mountain biking. Go swimming. Go horseback riding. Go skateboarding. Play tennis. Play ice hockey. Go skiing. Do track. Play volleyball. Go cycling. Go running. Play baseball. Play golf. And that's all. But now, I want that you look at play basketball, play volleyball, play football or soccer. We use the verb play because as you can see, there is a ball. Always, when we're talking about a sport that has a ball, we use the verb play. Now, when we're talking about activities or sports that end with ing, ice skating, snowboarding, horse riding, mountain biking, as the sport or the action ends with ing, we are going to use the verb go. Go horse riding, go running, go snowboarding. And with the rest of the activities, we use do. Do judo, do archery, and what else? And do track. Please practice and you can repeat this presentation as many times as you need it in order to understand and to practice. Have a nice day. I see you in the next presentation.